Yeah, quick one. Good day, my people. This is Coach Icon of Capital Coin Ecosystem. So I'm making this short video to quickly show you how you can re-edit your Binance API. Yeah, how you can re-edit the API setting so that it will be compatible with a nano hedging mode. So at first, so I'm using this particular Binance account just for tutorial purpose. So at first, make sure you come to this trade section at the bottom of your Binance dashboard. Can you see trade at the bottom? That is the spot section. So on this spot, so you have to make sure you enable this button at the top where the road margin. Your own might be turned off. Can you see I've turned off my own now? So you have to enable it back, turn it on back. So the moment you turn it on, then this page will now represent the cross margin page, not ordinary spot again. That is, any money you have on this balance can either be used to back up your spot trading and also your futures trading when your nano mode is trading for you. Meanwhile, the moment you've already enabled this button, you've enabled this margin, make sure you deposit money here to the available. Can you see my own available balance now is 1 USDT? So I'm just using it as an example. Is 1 USDT. So if your own is 0, you have to make sure you deposit USDT there first, at least as low as 1 USDT or 0.5 USDT, either of the two. So let's say, for instance, your money was on futures or on sports. If your money was on sports, then you make sure spot was at the top. That is, you are sending from spot to cross margin. So your own might not be on cross margin first, so your own might be on funding. Let me say, okay, my own now is from spot to funding. After I click on that balance, that is, I want to transfer. So I have to make sure I change this funding back to cross margin. Don't forget, make sure you change it back to cross margin first, so that you will be able to transfer as low as $1 first, 1 USDT to it. Can you see? I now have from spot to cross margin. Your own can be from futures to cross margin. Either of to just make sure cross margin was the one at the bottom. That is, you are sending to cross margin, so that you'll be able to deposit as low as $1 minimum. Just click $1. So me, I'm just using this one for tutorial purpose. So which is in your own case now, if you want to do it, you can deposit at least $200 and above. Yeah, or minimum $100. So let's say you've already deposited money in your future balance before. You've already deposited another money in your spot too. Maybe $100 on spot, $100 on future. So which means in this area, you can just deposit as low as $1 minimum. But if you have more than that, let's say you have $1,000, you can still deposit it to this cross margin. So the essence of this cross margin simply means when your nano mode is trading both on spot and on future simultaneously, if needed, it can take money from this your cross margin balance to support your future trade if needed, or it can also take money from cross margin balance to support your spot trade if needed. That's the purpose of we having this cross margin balance. So now let me transfer this 1 USDT. Can you see? The moment I transfer this 1 USDT to cross margin now, can you see my cross margin balance is now showing me 2 USDT because I already had 1 USDT there before. So I'm just using it as tutorial purpose. So you need it there before you go and re-edit your API. If you don't transfer any money here before you go to re-edit your API, you won't be able to tick the cross margin box. So let me go to the API page to re-edit it. Though I've already re-edited this one, but let me just quickly show you. So API management. Can you see? So this is my API management. So you will now click on edit. Can you see? You click on this small icon, under the copy. Click on it. Can you see now? I've already enabled my own margin. So this is how it is initially. It is like this initially. This is how it is. So it was because I've already enabled my cross margin button on my spot page balance. So that's why I will now be able to tick this enable margin loan and transfer. Then I will now enable permit universal transfer. So this enable internal transfer, if you find it in your own, you can enable it as well. But if you don't find it in your own robot, it is not a must. We don't really need this enable internal transfer that much. The essence of this enable internal transfer is simply for a purpose whereby maybe you are using sub account inside your Binance account. That is your major Binance account. You are now using another mini sub account inside it. That's the only reason. That's the only purpose of this enable internal transfer. Meanwhile, some country Binance they don't support a sub account. Like Ghana now, if you're in Ghana, you might not find sub account in your own Binance account. So which means if you come to this page, you might likely not find this enable internal transfer on your API setting page when you are doing the API setting. So that's the reason why I said you don't really need this enable internal transfer. You don't really need it that much. You don't need it safe. The only one you need is enable reading, enable spot and margin stock trading, enable margin loan, repay transfer, enable futures, then permit universal transfer. This last one, permit universal. So those are the only things you needed. So after you've done that, then you now go back up here to save. So after saving it, will ask you to verify your Google Authenticator or your passkey. So I've already verified mine. So after it has saved up, then you are done. You can now cancel. You can now cancel it. So and make sure your future page balance too. This the setting of a future page is like this. Click on it at the top here, then select preferences. Make sure you are maintaining the current settings we are using, which is one-way mode, position mode, one-way mode, asset mode, single asset mode, unit preference, USDT. It's as simple as this. Nothing more than this you need to do. This is how you need to leave your Binance future page settings as well in preparation for the Nano. So thank you very much.